Check out this Dodge 2019 Journey Say. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: monotone paint application, touring suspension, billet clear coat, blacktop package included, touring suspension wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 fully painted black gloss, black rear fascia applique, black headlamp bezels, gloss black grille, gloss black exterior mirrors, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included, leather-wrapped steering wheel and transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD. Low mileage is an important factor